Hello everyone, so this is how I usually smoke my fish, and this is going to be my first attempt at smoking whitefish. It's a learning curve, as you shall see. This is my recipe for the fish brine that I use for all my fish. Again, this is my first time attempting to smoke whitefish. Here I'm using a hook that I made out. I usually cut out of stainless steel wire. Put it right in the middle of the fish and go through the mouth so I can hang the fish up. This is good for like white bass or smaller fish, but for the whitefish, not so sure. I'm using a gas charbroil smoker that I usually smoke all my meat, and I improvise a cover for my smoke so that the fish, when it's smoking, it starts to cook, it doesn't drip onto my wood chip and put out my wood chip. This is how I usually do it. I hang it up on the rack and let the fish kind of hang down like that, and I just smoke it for, smaller fish 3 hours, big fish about 4 hours, but never tried whitefish before. I mean, these fish it's different. If you ever smoked whitefish before, it's different, and for me, first time, it's a learning curve. And this is my 2-hour mid-time checkup, and yes, I failed. So what happened is the fish is too heavy and the meat and the bones is soft. So as the fish start to cook up, the weight kind of pull down on the small wire, and it just cut and pull the fish right through, and it fell down onto my wood chip. Good thing I have a cover on it, but it's still pretty bad. As you can see how far the fish has slid down compared to before when I just put it up. So I clean the fish out, clean the bottom out, gonna put this fish in that oven to cook it, and probably gonna eat that first. And then I improvised and I found out a solution for it. By laying and placing the fish flat on the rack, I was able to cook the fish through for the next 2 hours. Which I was able to save and salvage those 4 fish. After my extra 2 hours, I take it out, lay it out, and let it air cool for an hour. Before I wrap it up, I usually wrap it up in aluminum foils and give it out to friends and families. And if I'm gonna keep it, I put it in freezer paper. So if something you're gonna eat for the next few days, put it in the fridge. You're gonna eat it in the next few months, definitely put it in the freezer. Well, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to DJ channels, like and share my videos. And thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.